Paying $15 a month for a budget app is costing you almost $200 a year. Think about that. You are paying a company for a tool to manage money you barely have. It is backwards. Today we are killing that subscription. I am going to show you how to build a free AI money system that actually works for a paycheck-to-paycheck reality. Welcome to Scissor Money. This is not corporate advice from a boardroom. This is a financial defense system for the break room. Most apps are built for people with breathing room, but if you are juggling bills and dodging overdrafts, you need something different. The enemy isn't just inflation. It is the convenience apps that leak your cash while promising to save it. Let's look at why that $15 app is actually hurting your survival plan. $180, that is a full week of groceries for a family of 4 or a tank and a half of diesel. When you are on the line, every dollar is a tool. Giving them away to a tech company for a pretty graph is a bad trade. Most apps want to track what you already spent. They look in the rear-view mirror, but you need to see what is coming through the windshield. Checking your app after you've already spent the grocery money doesn't help you pay the light bill on Friday. AI is different. It doesn't just track, it helps you strategize. It is like having a financial foreman looking at your schedule before the shift starts. Remember the scissor money rule. Your bank balance is not your limit. Your remaining balance after expenses is. Why do these apps fail warehouse workers, truckers, and CNAs? Because our income isn't always a perfect salary. Overtime hits one week, a short shift hits the next. Traditional apps panic when things aren't consistent. They weren't built for us. And who has the time to manually categorize every single coffee or gallon of gas? After a 12-hour shift, that's the last thing you want to do. Manual tracking is a trap. If it feels like work, you won't do it, and when you stop doing it, you lose control. We are shifting from tracking to orchestration. We are going to use AI to organize the chaos without the busy work. Now, let's get into the setup. You don't need a computer. You just need the free ChatGPT or Claude app on your phone. Go to the App Store, download the free version. Do not pay for the Plus version. We are doing this for $0. We are going to give this AI a job description. We are telling it, you are my financial defense assistant for a blue-collar household. Its only goal is to protect your paycheck and make sure the roof stays over your head and the lights stay on. That is it. Listen closely. We are not giving it your bank login. We are not giving it your social security number. We keep our private data private. We only give it the numbers. Rent is $1,200. Lights are $80. The AI doesn't need to know who you are to help you. We are going to follow a 5-step plan. This is the blueprint for replacing that $15 app forever. Step 1. We need to know exactly what is hitting your account, not your salary, not your hourly rate, the real take-home pay. The government and your insurance company take their cut first. What is left is what we have to fight with. Look at your last 3 pay stubs. If you work overtime, use the lowest one. We budget for the feast or famine reality. Tell the AI, I am getting paid $850 this Friday. This is my starting point. The AI now has its marching orders. It is ready to defend that specific stack of cash. No generic monthly nonsense. Step 2 is the payday window. Most apps look at the whole month. We only care about what is due before the next check. If you get paid every 2 weeks, your window is 14 days. Anything due on day 15 is a problem for the next check. This focus is how you stop the overdraft cycle. You are only fighting the battles in front of you. List every bill due in that window. Rent, car note, insurance, phone. Don't forget the small ones, the Netflixes and the Spotifys. Enter this into the AI. Here are the bills due before my next paycheck on the 24th. Rent $600, car $200. The AI will immediately see the gap. It will tell you you have $850 coming in, but $700 in bills. You have $150 left. But that $150, that is your real limit for groceries, gas, and life until the next payday, not the $850. Step 3 is where the AI pays for itself, finding the leaks. This is how we find that extra $15 we were giving to the app. Ask the AI, I suspect I have subscription leaks. What are the common small charges people in my income bracket often overlook? The AI will give you a checklist. It's like a mechanic checking for a slow oil leak. Most people find $30 to $50 in ghost charges every month. That ghost money is your money. The AI helps you find it without you having to scan every line of your bank statement for 3 hours. Step 4, we build the actual survival plan. This is the 4 walls of scissor money: food, utilities, shelter, transportation. Tell the AI, based on my $150 limit, build me a survival budget. Prioritize the four walls first. It will tell you, put 60 for groceries, 40 for gas, and keep 50 as an emergency buffer. It makes the hard choices for you. Always have a buffer. Life happens on the line. A flat tire or a sick kid doesn't care about your budget. The AI accounts for that. That $50 buffer is the difference between a stressful week and a catastrophic one. AI keeps it protected. Step 5, the weekly reset. This is where most people quit. They set a budget and forget it. But we are going to use AI to keep it alive. Every Sunday, spend 10 minutes with your AI. Tell it what happened last week. I spent 10 more on groceries but saved 5 on gas. The AI will adjust the plan. It doesn't judge you. It just recalibrates the defense system for the next 7 days. Compare that to the $15 app that just sends you a notification saying you spent too much on dining out. One is a critic, the other is a coach. Let's talk privacy. I know some of you are worried about sharing money info with ChatGPT. Here's how we handle it. First, use temporary chat mode if you don't want the AI to remember the conversation. This keeps your data out of its long-term training. Second, never use your real name or your bank's name. Call it Bank A and Bank B. Use generic terms. The math works exactly the same. I have built a master prompt for this. I call it the Paycheck Protection Protocol. It is the exact text you paste into the AI. I am giving it to you for free. Check the description below. Copy it, paste it, and let the AI start working for you today. Stop building their dream with $15 monthly fees. Start building your own with free tools. That is the scissor money way. Wealth is built through leverage, not just labor. Using AI to manage your money is leveraging intelligence to protect your labor. You work hard for every hour. Don't let that effort bleed out through bad tools and expensive apps. Be the foreman of your own future. Here is your final checklist. 1. Download the free app. 2. Identify your real take-home pay. 3. Define your payday window. 4. Audit for leaks. 5. Build that survival plan. 6. Set a recurring 10-minute reset every week. That is the system. It might feel strange at first to talk to an AI about your money, but after the first month, when you see that extra cash in your account, you'll never go back. This isn't just about math. It is about the freedom to breathe. It is about making sure your family is safe, no matter what happens on the shift. The system is designed to keep you confused and leaking cash. AI is the tool that lets you fight back. Use it. If this helped you, hit the subscribe button. We are building a community of workers who are taking their financial power back. Comment prompt below if you want me to send you the template directly. I'll see you on the next shift. Protect your paycheck, build your future. Scissor money.